Are you someone who needs quick tips to build your professional presence on social media? Are you someone looking for a job and want to use LinkedIn to connect with the right people to get your dream job? So, here we are today to explain the relevance of having a LinkedIn profile to get visibility from the correct set of eyes. Also, at the end of this video, we will be sharing the technique of adding the keywords that you should include in your LinkedIn profile, as these are used by the hiring managers to search from the huge pool of profiles available on LinkedIn. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Rise and Shine, where you get all answers to transform your life for the better. Please subscribe to our channel by clicking subscribe button below and press the bell icon to get the recent updates from our channel. In this video today, we will cover the below topics. What is a LinkedIn profile? Why is it important to have a LinkedIn profile? What are the main components of a LinkedIn profile? And the technique of adding the keywords to be used in the LinkedIn profile. So let's start with the first topic. What is a LinkedIn profile? A LinkedIn profile is a professional landing page for you to manage your own personal brand. It is a great way for you to tell people who you are and what you do by displaying a general history of your professional experiences and achievements. You can use your LinkedIn profile to add a personal touch that a typical resume or CV may not reflect. Now that we know what is a LinkedIn profile, let's find out why is it so important to have a LinkedIn profile. The first benefit is networking. See, being active on LinkedIn can help you get connected with different professionals from diverse industries, domains, and backgrounds. LinkedIn actually gives you an opportunity to remain in touch with your colleagues, peers, and even ex colleagues and others in our professional network with whom we are unable to meet in person very often. Next is to know about job postings and to appear in the search done by the recruiters. See, LinkedIn helps you remain updated about the ongoing hiring trends in different companies. People looking for a job can follow the company pages on LinkedIn too. Following the company pages help you get all the updates as and when the company posts any new job openings on LinkedIn. Also, if you keep your LinkedIn profile updated, then it also appears in the Google search list. This automatically increases the chances of being hired or at least being viewed by the recruiters. Next is personal branding. By developing and keeping your profile updated on LinkedIn, you are actually creating your own personal brand. LinkedIn comes with features like recommendations and endorsements too. People who know you and might have worked with you can also write a testimonial for you, which further validates and reinforces your areas of expertise. This makes it a bit more real and interesting, and it is even better to be endorsed and appreciated by a person senior to you. Next is to know more about people. LinkedIn is like a platform for the exchange of knowledge and values. This gives you a platform to know great things from influencers who keep publishing posts, articles, and many more knowledgeable things about the industry. So, even if you are a fresher, you can still reap great benefits by using LinkedIn. The last benefit is share your own identity. LinkedIn is your own professional identity and a platform to showcase your skills. If someone is a good writer, they can write articles and post it on LinkedIn. It will be viewed by many, and you never know, a good opportunity somewhere might be waiting for you. For a person who is running their own business, they can use this platform to promote his products or services which this company is offering. This platform can also be used for advertisements and promotion. Now, moving to the next section where we will cover the major components of a LinkedIn profile. The first is About section. The summary within the About section of your LinkedIn profile gives you an opportunity to communicate your skills and experience, keeping in mind your personal vision and values. Next would be the Courses and Learning Certificate section. Here you may want to add courses to add more depth to your educational history and adding keywords to help your LinkedIn profile be found, including the course name and the role associated with it. If you have done any additional certifications in your field of expertise, please don't forget to add them here. Next would be the education section. You may add, change, or remove education entries, including the school name, degree type, field of study, grades, activities and societies, dates attended, and media. Next would be the experience section. This section is the best way to add work history details to your profile. The experience section is comprised of several fields including job title, employment type, company, location dates, description, and media. Next is the geographic location. You may either display your geographic region or the specific city you live in. Next is the headline. Your headline is actually the text below your name, and this displays in the search results and may be separate from the title of your current role. Next is honors and awards. Adding honors and awards highlights specific achievements and adds depth and substance to your profile, including honor or award title, role associated, issuer of the award, and the date you received it. Next is introduction card. The introduction card is the first thing seen when arriving on your profile. This section is used to communicate your personal and professional status at a glance. Next is languages. Adding languages to your LinkedIn profile is great for highlighting your ability to work with the global teams. This includes listing your proficiency level as elementary, limited working, professional working, full, or native. Next is licenses and certifications. You may add certifications to showcase your knowledge and professional achievements on your LinkedIn profile, including certification name, issuing organization, issue date, expiration date, credential ID, and credential QRL. Next is open to job opportunities. If you're looking for a job, you can let recruiters know you're open to new opportunities. You may select your top 5 desired job titles and geographic locations, as well as job types you are willing to accept, like full-time, part-time, contract, intern, volunteer, temporary, or maybe remote. Next is organizations. Adding organizations is one of the most popular LinkedIn profile components for highlighting your professional affiliations, including the organization name, role, cause, and the time period. Next is patents. You may add patents to highlight your thought leadership in a particular field on your LinkedIn profile. Fields to include here are patent title, patent office or the country, patent or the application number, inventor name, patent status, issue or the filing date, and the patent URL. Next is the background photo. Your background picture shows behind your profile picture in the introduction card on your profile. This picture is a great opportunity to personalize your profile and give it a flavor of your own. Next is the profile picture. Including a profile picture increases the credibility of your profile by helping you stand out from the crowd. And it also allows people to see who you are when you send invitations to connect. Next is projects. Adding individual or team projects to your profile is great for highlighting current or previous work experience, education or training, or personal projects by listing the title, dates, role associated, and the project URL. Next would be publications. You may add, edit, or remove publications on your profile, including publication title, publication or the publisher name, publication date, author, and the publication URL. Next would be the recommendations. Now, this section is for written statements that recognize or commend a connection. This includes co-workers, business connections, and classmates. These recommendations enable those visiting your profile to see what others have to say about you. Next would be salary insights. You may make more informed career decisions by accessing user-generated salary data to uncover the job salary insights and obviously better understand your value in the market by. Next is the skills and endorsements. Skills is one of the top sources of keywords used in searches and plays a critical role in terms of incorporating important keywords into your profile. And the last one would be the volunteer experience. Adding volunteer experience to your LinkedIn profile is a great way to highlight your extracurricular personal activities over the years. You may list both active and past volunteer experience, including organization name, role, time period, and cause. And before we close, here is the technique for using the top keywords to be used in your LinkedIn profile to get to the top in the hiring manager's search list. These keywords can be used across the content, majorly under the experience section and the skills section. While explaining the roles, responsibilities, and achievements, we should try to use the keywords required per the job description of the new role. This and the skills section should include the most marketable abilities you possess. Also, very important is that you should be able to tailor this section based on the kind of position you're looking for. You may want to add a few of the skills from the job description provided under your skills section to get picked up quickly. This is a great way to catch the hiring manager's attention and increase your chances of getting an interview call soon. See, if you're not active on LinkedIn, you might lose a good opportunity. If the hiring manager does not find you on Google search, it will give an impression that you may not be tech savvy and care less to get connected with a diverse world of professionals out there. So this was all from us for today. Do watch out for our upcoming video where we will share quick tips to make your LinkedIn profile much more attractive. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to our channel Rise and Shine. You can also leave your questions, comments, or any topics you would like to hear from us in the comment section below, and we will be happy to address them in our upcoming videos. Till then, stay good, stay safe.